Welcome to the Sitecore Interview Question video series. Today's question is, how can I create a computed field in Sitecore SOLR? Let's endeavor to answer the question.
What is computed fields? Computed fields are fields which are stored calculated information while Sitecore indexes your items. It basically stores the calculated or computed values in the index which physically does not exist in the Sitecore. So there are some fields or some uh, logic which we want to implement, but that data is not stored in the Sitecore as a field. Okay, like if you get an example, like you have a category and products. Okay, so you might have a, you might not, you have a category as a parent name, but parent folder, and inside that you might have a products. Okay, but there will not be a specific field which will specify what is the category of the product. It is actually a parent item, but in the field itself it is not provided. And if you want to do some manipulation or some searching you want to do with which category products are there, then that field, there is no field in the Solar. Okay, so in that case you can use a computed field. You can create a computed field which is not actually stored physically in the Sitecore. It is a calculated or a logical field which is there in the indexes. Okay, so that is what the computed fields are, and which is, these are very important. Okay, so how does you create the computed fields? Okay, the step one is to create a class that implements the interface which is mentioned as the sitecore.content search computed fields I computed index field. So I computed index field is the interface which you need to implement in the class. What does the step 2 does? It implements the simple string properties name, field name and return type. So it will have two properties. One is the field name and another is a return type. The field name string is the name the field uses in the index. So field name is the basically the name of your index. Okay, and the return type, the string, refers to the Solar data type that the Sitecore field type is mapped with the type matches. Okay, so it is a mapping of a type. What is Solar and what is the field type in the Solar and what is the field type in the Sitecore. So step third is to implement a method called complete field value. Okay, so this is the what you say, basically this is the method which you need to implement. Okay, computed field. Okay, this method accepts the argument that implements the sitecore.contain search I indexable. Okay, so if you see here, computed field is the your method which you need to implement, basically the logic which you want to implement. Like here I want to implement the isClone thing. Okay, so I want the isClone is the property which I want to index it, which is, so that's the reason I have written the logic here isClone. Okay, so whatever your computed field logic, that will come in the computed field value, and the return will be your value of that field. Okay, so this is how you will implement the I computed index field. Then step 4 will be the in the Sitecore contain search.solar.default index.configuration file. Locate field hint is equal to raw add computed index field. You have to check where it is. Okay, then add a field element to the add computed field index and refers your custom class and assembly within it. Okay, then rebuild your search indexes. Okay. So basically you will write a patch file where you will add the field. Okay, so here field hint is equal to raw add computed index field. Inside that you will add your field where name of the computer, this is the name of your computed field, return type whatever you have, and then your namespace, whatever the class which you have created. Okay, so that class. Okay, so that property value here, and your namespace is your DLL. Okay, so this is how you will add the patch for the computed fields. Okay, so
thank you for watching the video. If you'd like a more detailed explanation, please check out our complete video. The link is provided on the screen. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell.